I'm Kyle Banansag from Grade 8 Nationalism, and today I'm going to show you how to measure a dry liquid ingredients. But before I proceed, let me first show you the tools, materials, and ingredients that I will be using today. For the tools, these are as follows. This is a measuring cup for liquid ingredient. And this is another measuring cup for dry ingredient. And this is a measuring spoon for both liquid and dry ingredients. This is a bowl for mixing. For the PPE for cooking, these are as follows. Instead of using a hairnet, I'm using a hair restraints. And this is my disposable mixing glove. And this is my apron. And this is my non-skid shoes. For the main ingredients, these are as follows. This is a baking soda, water, vanilla, salt, brown sugar, and now flour. For steps and procedures are as follows. Number 1, wear PPE for cooking. And let me now simplify again. This is a hair restraint, this is a disposable glove, an apron, and non-skid shoes. Number 2, wash your hands first and make sure your fingernails are not long and clean. And I will clean my hands now. Number 3, make sure you clean your area and your kitchen area. As you can see, it is now clean. Step 4, prepare your tools and utensils that are needed for measuring dry liquid ingredients. But first, you have to wash it before you use it. But as you can see, my tools and utensils are clean because I washed it. Step 5, prepare the needed ingredients and make sure to follow the exact measurement and or quantity that are given. Step 6, follow the step-by-step procedure in measuring. Alright, now let's start on how to measure a 1 cup of flour on this measuring cup for dried ingredients. Scoop the flour by using an ordinary spoon onto this measuring cup until it is full and avoid shaking it. Now, level it up by using a back of the knife. Now we're going to measure 1 cup for brown sugar by using a measuring cup for dried ingredients. Before you measure the brown sugar, use an ordinary fork to mix the brown sugar to avoid the lumps. Now that you're done, get your measuring cup and get your ordinary spoon and pack the brown sugar onto the measuring cup and keep packing it or push it to avoid spaces in between. Oops. That's fine anyway. Okay, 1, and now 2. Now that it is full, use the back of the knife to level it. Now I'm going to measure a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda by using a 1/4 teaspoon of measuring spoon. Now you simply scoop the 1/4 teaspoon onto the baking soda. Now you level it with the back of a knife. Before we measure the salt, we're going to convert a 10 ounce into tablespoons, and this is how I measure it. The 10th ounce is equal to 19 tablespoons. To measure a 19 tablespoon of salt, I'm going to use a 1 tablespoon of measuring spoon. Now I am going to scoop a 1 tablespoon onto the salt. After that, use a knife, back of the knife to level it. Now 1. Now 2. Now 3. Now 4. Now 5. Now 6. Now 7. Now 8. Now 9. Now 10. Now 11. Now 12. And now 19. Now we are done measuring all the dried ingredients, and now we are going to measure the liquid ingredient. Now I'm going to measure a 1 tablespoon of vanilla by using a 1 tablespoon of measuring spoon. Now I'm going to hold the measuring spoon at level, and I'm going to pour the vanilla onto the measuring spoon until it is full. And last, I will measure a 1 cup of water by using this measuring cup for liquid ingredients. Measure a 1 cup of water, go down at the eye level and pour the water into a measuring cup until it reaches to 1 cup of water. To get the exact measurement, you have to read the eye level, and then if it reaches to 1 cup, that is where you get the exact measurement. Now I am done with step 7. Step 8 is to repeat step 2 and 3. Again, step 2 is that I will have to wash my hands. Again, step 3, you have to clean an area and a kitchen. But as you can see, I have already cleaned the area and the kitchen. And lastly, I have to clean my hands again. ends my presentation on how to measure dry liquid ingredients. Good day, everyone. Bye.